Laplace transform problem. Previously asked gate question. First question: the inverse Laplace transform of the function f of s is equal to 1 divided by s into 1 plus s. So the options are given. So first we take by partial fraction we can separate the terms a by s plus b by s plus 1. And next step we will take LCM and take the denominator. We get 1 is equal to a into s plus 1 plus bs, and put different value for s. We need to find constant value a and b. Put s equal to minus 1, we get b is equal to minus 1. Put s equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1. Substitute these two value in this formula, then we get f of s equal to 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1. Then take the inverse Laplace transform. F of s become f of t. So L inverse of 1 by s become 1. L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 become e power minus t. So the correct answer is option D. So second question: the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by root t is. So we need to find Laplace transform of this function. So we can write this root t as t power 1 by 2. Bring this root t terms to numerator, we get t power minus 1 by 2. Already we know here n is not integer, so already we know the formula. T power n when n is not integer is equal to gamma function of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1. So apply the formula here. So gamma function of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This value become 1 by 2. This value become s power 1 by 2. So already we know gamma function of 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. So instead of this we replace by root pi. This can be also written as root pi. So commonly root of pi by s. So the correct option is option A. So the unilateral Laplace transform of f of t is 1 by s squared plus s plus 1. The unilateral Laplace transform of t into f of t is. The options are given. So already we know we need to find Laplace transform of t into f of t. So already we know the differentiation property. Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus d by ds of f of s. So this f of s value is already given. That means Laplace transform of f of t is given. So we need to find Laplace transform of t into f of t. So for that we need to differentiate this function with respect to x and multiply by negative sign. So minus d by ds of this function. So for differentiation we need to apply differentiation of u by v formula. Differentiation of u by v is equal to v squared v u dash minus u v dash. So while applying this we get the answer as 2s plus 1 divided by s squared plus s plus 1 the whole square. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 4. The function f of t satisfies the difference equation d squared f by dt squared plus f is equal to 0, and 3 auxiliary condition f of 0 is equal to 0, df by dt of 0 is equal to 4. The Laplace transform is given by, you need to find f of t. So for that, so we can write the given function as f double dash of t plus f of t is equal to 0, and we can write the initial condition as f of 0 is equal to 0, and this term can be written as f dash of 0 is equal to 4. So now take Laplace transform on both sides. Laplace transform on both sides. Then apply linearity property. So individual Laplace transform is equal to 0. So already we know the formula. Laplace transform of f double dash of t is equal to s squared f of s minus s f of 0 minus f dash of 0. Laplace transform of f dash of t is equal to s f of s minus f of 0. So apply this two formula here. Apply the initial condition. This term becomes 0, then take f of s is common, s squared plus 1. So instead of this value we have 4. So minus 4 is equal to 0, f of s is equal to 4 by s squared plus 4. So then we need f of t. So for that take inverse Laplace of f of t is equal to 4 sin t. A system described by following differential equation where u of t is input to the system and y of t is the output of the system. Y dash of t plus 5y of t is equal to u of t when y of 0 is equal to 1 and u of t is the unit step function y of t is. So options are given. So this problem is like previous problem. So first step is take Laplace transform on both sides. Then by linearity property, individual Laplace transform. So apply the formula. Then apply the initial condition. Take y of s is common and rearrange the term. Finally y of s equal to s plus 1 by s into s plus 5. Then apply the partial fraction. So after applying partial fraction we get 1 by 5 into 1 by s plus 4 by 5 into 1 by s plus 1. Then take inverse, then we get 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 e power minus 5t. 1 by 5 is 0.2 and 4 by 5 is 0.5 e power minus 5t. So the correct option is option A. So next important type of problem, Laplace transform for periodic function. So given the Laplace transform of a causal periodic square wave of period t is shown in figure. So for that options are given. So here total period of the function is t. So for a periodic function f of t with period p, then this is the general formula already we discussed. So here we can write the f of t as 1 when 0 to t by 2, 0 when t by 2 t, and period is t. So apply the formula. So 1 divided by t as 0 to t f of t e power minus s t dt. 0 to t can be divided into 2 period. In 0 to pi by 2 only f of t is 1, t by 2 t f of t is 0. So this total term cancelled. So integration of e power minus st is e power minus st by minus s. Then apply the limit. Then we get this one. So now this term can be written as 1 squared minus e power minus t by 2 into s the whole squared. These two are same. Again in the next step, a squared minus b squared is written as a plus b into a minus b. And then this term and this term get cancelled. Finally the answer is 1 divided by s into 1 plus e power minus ts by 2. The answer is option C. Next video on Laplace transform problem previously asked in TRB, Polytechnic examination. Thank you.